braids for me. Do you see them out there swaying freely? Stiff well. Shantana Redman, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit that red button, turn on the post notification bell, so the moment your girl upload, like, y'all be the first to see. Make sure you check out all my previous videos, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend to come by and do the same step, of course. So as you all can see by the title of today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the knotless braid using the crochet method. No rubber band, like the crochet method, which is an easy step I find for me very easily, and like anyone can do it. Like literally anyone can do it, whether you're your stylist, you're not a hairstylist, you're just someone trying out a hairstyle, you can definitely go ahead. So I'm going to give you a close view of my style. So this is my second attempt doing the knotless. I did it on my little sister here before, and I decided I'm going to give it a try for me. The sizes is not what I was going for, to be honest, but I wasn't really paying attention to the parting, so I kind of somewhat part a little smaller than planned, but at the end of the day it still can go because y'all girl looking cute. So for me, yes, it's all about the inches, girls, like it is. But let me tell you, before you go ahead, yeah, it's all about the inches for me. The roots are a little bit slack, but nevertheless it's my first attempt, so definitely perfection doesn't come overnight, but you keep on try until you get them. Okay guys, like hey love, it's your girl Shantana Redman, and welcome back to my channel. So for here, I'm just showing you guys how I went off camera and braided my natural hair. I did it in 3 different sections, so it would be easier for me how to manage the braidings for me. And as you all can see by the title of today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do the crochet knotless braid. So this method is for person who still don't get how to do the knotless braid like myself here, so I'm just showing you a quicker way out for y'all, my beautiful ladies that are interested and want to give this a try. The hair that I will be using today will be the 6 times value jumbo braids that from the Janet collection line. And what I love about these is that you actually got 6 bundles in them. You're gonna need a hair wax, crochet needle, and a tail comb. So as I was saying, you get 6 bundles in each. I have selected the color number 4 to blend in with my natural hair. I think my hair is like a black or a 1B, and I also used 2 bundles of these because I ran out of the jumbo braids from the Janet collection line. So I'm just gonna put away my hair for a bit because I don't want them to get messed up with the ones that I'm going to do individually. So this is how the hair look along with the color. It's very soft and nice. So I'm just going to take out a small portion of hair to do the first round. So what you can do is actually feed them out and then put them aside, so it will be easier for you to actually work around. So I'm just gathering the hair together, try to straighten it out as best as possible. So I'm going to go in smoothly with the crochet needle. Try to be very careful with your scalp, and then I'm gonna pull the hair around it, lock it, and then pull it through my natural hair. Make sure you guys hold on to the hair, because sometimes when you're pulling it through, you find yourself actually pulling off the entire hair. So you're going to measure it down to your desired length that you actually want, and try to make sure you feel out the hair so there's no knotness in it when you're through. So apply some hair wax to your hair because you want your natural hair to be sleek. So for this part, guys, I kind of have problem explaining to you to see exactly what I'm going to do, but if you can watch carefully to see how I actually move over my hands with the hair along with the braided hair and my natural hair, I just can't explain it. But once you watch this slowly, if you have to replay this video like 5 different times to get it, then definitely go ahead. I just can't really explain it for y'all to do. So if you're one of those person that can watch and learn, then I take my hats off for that. So while you're braiding, you want to make sure that you actually hold the hair firm, because what I realized for some of the braids that I wasn't really paying attention to what I was doing, so it ended up kind of like twisted around, if you understand what I mean. So just make sure you just hold it properly, take your time and plait. But I think I'm plaiting on the inside instead of the outside. So the knotless braid is actually when you plait the hair on the inside rather than the outside. So you take your time, you just go down smoothly with it, and it will actually come out perfect, guys. So just watch me do this, and if you have to replay it, like, you go ahead and replay it. And as you go along as well, one of the strands is going to always be less. I have noticed while I'm braiding my hair. So once you realize that one of the strands are getting too thin, you just take some from the other two and just kind of let everything flow on a nice equal pace with all the hair strands, because you want it to look fluffy right throughout. So this is how the first one actually look. It's not so perfectly slayed because I can't manage to grip the root of my hair tightly, but y'all, it's still looking good. It's still looking good. So I'm just gonna do a speeder process for this one, and then I'm gonna come back, guys, and show you in a slow motion. I also gonna show you another way as to how you can install the hair as well. So for this method, you're actually gonna pull the hair underneath your braided hair, and once you pull it underneath, you kind of like make a tight grip from the root, as tight as possible, to secure the hair that you have put underneath, and then you're going to plait on the inside. I still don't know how to tell you to actually carry over your hands to get this done, but just watch and you guys will see what I'm doing. So I went off camera to do the rest of my hair, so I just come back to show you guys the front section of my hair. So if you are able to watch the video properly, like watch it like real close, then you actually see how I get it. So you can crochet your hair with the crochet needle, or you can put the hair underneath and then plait the hair. So I'm just going to go over back with the crochet method, and then you just watch this one carefully to see how I get it done. So I'm just going to trim up all the flyaway hair. I'm going to attach on my ends because I want my hair to lay perfectly and get it done, and then come back to show you the finishing look. But guys, like, take a look at your girl. thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, check out all my previous video. Most importantly, watch from the start to the end. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so the moment I upload, y'all be the first to see. Bye. It's the braid for me. It's the braid for me. You stiff aware. Oh no.